Hi, my name is Mark Lutrod, and I've been doing a series on AI in procurement. And today I'm going to be looking at supplier management. Now, the format's going to take the following. We're going to look at how AI is used today and also in the future. Now, by supplier management, I'm not including the sourcing, contract management, spend analytics, P2P, really more focusing on what some people call supplier lifecycle management. So as an example, let's look at supplier discovery and onboarding and qualification. We've seen AI used for advanced searches. We've seen it used to scrape information for supplier profiles, also scrape and extract information from uploaded files that suppliers maybe have put into the platform. And we've seen a variety of onboarding chatbots that really try and help with that process. For performance and risk, again, we've seen predictive analytics and more scraping for sentiment analysis, for a geopolitical risk, in effect, grabbing KPIs and generating that performance scoring. Out the back of that, we've seen automated segmentation as well as portfolio optimization to ensure you've got the right mix of suppliers. One of those suppliers you may have in your segments maybe requires development. Um, there are tools out there that help with the benchmarking of those suppliers, as well as identifying capability gaps and automating the suggested development actions. Other segments of suppliers that are more strategic, you might want to drive collaboration, and there's some automation there available with AI, as well as being able to use it for innovation, to be able to scrape information again from patents, from R&D, to really help drive those opportunities to help with innovation for suppliers. Now, in the future, we could be looking at the use of AI agents. I've already made a video on those. These are autonomous agents that work on your behalf. Are we at the stage now where we could have a supplier and a buyer agent talk to each other autonomously without needing you to be involved, bypassing or mitigating portal fatigue? And if you do need to go to a portal, it's just for the delta. The other item is multimodal AI. There've been great strides in AI being able to read video, audio, text, etc. Is it possible, for example, that you have a scenario where you're a compliance manager, you've got your phone out, you've seen a non-compliance, you want to create a SCAR request, and you just film it with your phone, you send it to the AI then drives actions because it understands the content and automates that process going forward. The other way round is generative AI beyond text. The AI has got really good at generating images and videos from text. I know lots of people have played with it. Could this be really useful for onboarding of suppliers? Could we create bespoke content or generate bespoke content for individual suppliers or even personas within the suppliers, maybe by geography, by language, and so on, that help support them, say, for example, during onboarding? And the last thing I wanted to look at was SaaS Vibe Bespoke. So I've talked about vibe coding before, but this is basically where you can, using text, tell the AI what you want it to build for you. It will code that in the background, like a website, for instance. Could it be possible that we build vibe coding platforms into SaaS solution so that we can create custom data, maybe custom capabilities, and have it maintainable and supportable in the way that perhaps bespoke coding wasn't? So anyway, just a few things to think about. And if you do have any comments or questions, or you want to say something interesting, please feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, all I can say is thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.